told today to turn that thing off, so I'm just going to talk loud and you have to deal with the annoyance. So yeah, I'm watching sled videos because I got my beautiful Ski-Doo here. Am I making you guys dizzy? Yeah, so super cool side stand on the Elite. I don't know why they're not sold more prevalently in the US. There's all like that Scooter Swap Shop has that one. You got to like drill a hole. And, like, why would you not want one that just bolts right on? So let's go with the free rider again. So here I'll show you. It's the Nishimoto NK127, and I got it from WeBike. So yeah, the NK127. I got it from WeBike Japan. I mean, it literally bolts right on. Like, it is just, it's cool. Bolts to the frame as the kind of like the guide bolt, I would say, that one, so that it, it doesn't get torqued around. I took the center stand off. I was tired of flopping around when I do wheelies. Completely out of the way. Perfect placement. Yeah, can't complain. The Nishimoto NK127. It was $35. Shipping was about $13 or something. But I did ocean freight, and I do not recommend. It took literally 3.5 months. But hey, if you're in no hurry and don't care, whatever, right? All right, so there was one bolt that came in this that had like a rectangle on it, and you have to reach your fingers up on the frame here and just drop it in the hole, and then that rectangle will grab when you tighten it, and it gives you like a, I guess it's like a point so that it kind of gives it a little bit of a brace.
tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try and think.
Alright, so it says to flip it down. Let's go Capri Rider. I actually think I like keeping it up because if it's down, you flip this down, I just feel like you're moving the wire harness under the frame. Whereas here, it kind of uses that bolt to keep it up against the frame. It's cold today in Michigan, it's like 10 degrees. Yeah, I'm happy with that because it can move around. Yeah, that's good. I was worried I like pinched it again. All right. Now I guess the big question is, do I take it off? Also, I got an arrow pipe. I got it used because I can't find any new ones, but it's pretty clean. So that's going to be going on the Elite build. This is who I got it from, by the way. So shout out for Instagram, Stiv All-Wheel Drive. So now I guess do I take the center stand off or do I not? There it is. It does have that like little bit of play in the where it moves around right there because it's like not super tight, but pretty sweet there. Doesn't hit anything. So now I think I'll take off my center stand kits. It's always bouncing around.